Okay, from setup, we'll go to jobs and organizational map. Okay, and we'll click at top of the root level, go to location, add from labor level entries. We're adding stores, so this is correct. I'm going to search for store, for example, and it's 0776, search. Here it is. I'm going to click populate location name with labor level entry name. Highlight that, click copy to copy that over. Okay, now we see it appear down here. I'm going to highlight that. Again, go to location, this time just add instead of add from labor level, so add. Department is correct. Go ahead and name it Department 0776. Our stores are only going to have one department. That's because KRONOS requires a department, even if there aren't any needed. Let's see, so we'll go ahead and add location, everything else looks fine. Click OK. Now we see that appear. So we'll highlight that. Now this time we'll go to job and click attach. We're looking for a manager in our case. It's a job that actually was previously created by us. Attach job, click OK. Now we see it appears down here. Alright, now we go back to setup. We go to forecast map. Click at the root level, add. You see a little add appears in brackets and this appears. We're going to be adding a site, which is our store. And we're going to name it store 0776. Okay, that's fine. We'll hit save. So now we see it appears right here. Okay, and with that highlighted, we'll click add. So even though it defaults to general, this is a site, and we're going to add a department. And this is okay, it's correct right here, so we're going to hit save. Oh, almost forgot the field name. Okay. We're just going to go ahead and call it entire store. That's going to be the name of our department. And we'll use the 0776. Save. Now we see right there. So now we go back to this store level. You can either click the radio button or actually click on here if you want to look at this one more time. And then we'll click assign to location. Alright, we're going to choose our as of date, in our case, make it the 10th. It has to be at the beginning of a period. Now we're going to look for our store 0776. Oh, okay, I didn't save. Looks like I didn't save. Alright, let me get out of there. So now I'm going back to redo that first part. I should show that this screen right here contains our store, and then we click this and then just typed in department, and that's really all we needed to do. So now I need to go back and re-add that 0776 and save it this time. Okay, so I just recreated this from earlier. This time I'm going to save it. Yeah, I think. Alright, go back to setup, forecast map. And okay, we had already created this. We went to the root, clicked add, created that. Then we hit add, created our department. And now we have to go back here and assign a location. So you can see there's no location assigned. Assign location. Now it should appear here. Choose that day that's at the beginning of a period. Let me see if it added it. And here we go, 0776. So we're going to go ahead and just, we have the top level check there, the store level, and we're going to attach it to that top level here. See how there's department level. We're going to just attach it to this level. Save and close. Now we see it's assigned. 0776. Go to this level now. You can either radio button or click on there. I'd recommend clicking on there so you can just see your work one more time. Assign the location. Go back down. Here it is. We're going to open it this time and attach it to this department level. So now these department levels are both attached. So it's kind of like a parallel thing that has to happen with these forecast map. Save and close. Okay. Now these are good to go and use in our tasks and whatnot. Task management. Actually, we'll take a look at that task management stuff. This is not my usual layout like I have in version 8. It's UAT environment. It's not looking like my dev and my prod environment. Anyway, the setup page looks fine. Alright, so since I don't have my little, let me see. That's annoying. Oh, here we go. Just go right here. We'll go to okay, we'll click on site profiles. Let's see. Maybe it's like profile sets. I think that's right. See if I have the option for new project. It's a little different. It's a different look, but I wonder if I could get the same. Here's what I've been seeing in version 8. I get my project planning widget here off to the side, and I open that up, and then I create a new project, etc. I think this needs to get up to speed with the new version.